the child has to know that we are the ones who are in control. There is a difference between strictness and firmness. We have to be firm, but we don't have to be unnecessarily strict and kind of. You don't need a melodrama for being firm. You have to be firm means firm. If I say, okay, Geeta, please stand up, she has to stand because I am the authority here, right? But it comes with mutual respect because when she says something, I also respect that. It's a mutual respect. I am not going to get offended if she says, "Ma'am, could you please stand?" Of course, please stand. Right? So then it should not be. There is no friction between. There should not be a friction between. We are not competing with each other. A student and teacher are complementing each other. They have to complement. Everyone, So, controlled choices when you are giving, the authority is still with you because you are the one who gave the choice and you have given either choose from A or B or C. There is no third choice given. And still, the child will feel that, okay, the authority is with her because she has been given the choice making or the decision making chance. Right? So decision-making skill is a very, very, very important skill and we should give to everyone. Everything. And you will really raise a mindful parent, a mindful child if you follow this.